Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss new chapter. Chapter number 7, Algebraic Identities. In the previous class, you have learned multiplication of algebraic expression, monomials, binomials and trinomials. Monomials, binomials and trinomials. Monomials means monomials. It consists one term 5x, 7y, 5/3, etc. Only one term it contains. Binomial. It consists two terms 5x plus 7y, 3y 5y plus 9. Two terms, one term and other term. It consists two terms. Trinomials. Trinomials, it consists three term, x plus y plus z. Anything you can write 5x square plus 7x minus 12. It consists 1, 2, 3, three terms. Okay. Okay, now consider the following statement involving an algebraic expression. See here, 4x plus 3y is equal to 10. Putting different values of x and y in the place of x and y. x और y के जगह पर हम अलग अलग वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. Putting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. See LHS 4x plus 3y 4 into 2 plus 3 into 2. We will put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. After multiplication we get 14. But RHS is 10. 14 and 10 are not equal to each other. Then we can write LHS not is equal to RHS. We will take another value. Again putting x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3. See again LHS is equal to, in this equation, 4x plus 3y 4 into 5 plus 3 into 3. 5 4s are 20, 3 3s are 9. We get 29. But RHS is 10. This is also not equal to each other. Therefore, we can write LHS is not equal to RHS. In both part I have taken two different values for this equation and this equation. Again we will take another value. Again substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. We get LHS is equal to 4x plus 3y. 4 into 1 plus 3 into 2. 4 plus 6. It means 10. RHS is also equal to 10. In this case, we see LHS is equal to RHS. Then we can say that from the above observation, we take three examples. X is equal to 1, 2 and before that. We observe that the statement is true only for, this statement is true only for certain value of x and y. इसी x और इसी y के लिए दोनों का वैल्यू 10 आया. Hence we can say that a statement of equality which holds for all the values of the variables is called an identity. A statement of equality which holds for all the values of the variables is called an identity. Identity हम उसी समय कहेंगे कि x का कोई भी वैल्यू और y का वैल्यू पुट करे और दोनों का वैल्यू, इट मीन्स LHS एंड RHS विल बी सेम इन एवरी एस्पेक्ट. हर मायने में LHS और RHS इक्वल होगा तभी हम उस स्टेटमेंट ऑफ इक्वलिटी को, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज कॉल्ड एन आइडेंटिटी. बट 4x plus 3y is equal to 10 is not an identity. Is not an identity. Understand? Okay. Now in this chapter algebraic identities, I will be discussing the identities which arise as product of binomials. A plus b, a minus b, itself, with itself, a plus b with itself, a minus b with itself, and a plus b with a minus b. In this chapter we will discuss the identities.